this point, the entire manufacturing process of cylinder head gaskets comes to an end. All finished, gaskets will go through standardized packaging procedures, then be properly stored in the warehouse. Strict inventory management is implemented to ensure orderly delivery for customer orders. Additionally, we can customize product markings as requested by clients. We adopt two mature processing methods: high-precision laser engraving and traditional mold stamping. Both techniques ensure clear, durable logos, part numbers, and specifications on the gasket surface.